And so, I make of record and manifest that Dia et al. Are withdrawing their impeachment complaint. This confirms the letter that they have filed earlier with this committee, as reiterated and supported by this representation and Representative Percy Sandania in our separate letter that we have also filed with this committee. I so respectfully manifest, Madam Chair, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Honorable De Lima. Just to put it on record, the chair is in possession of this letter dated March 2, 2026, signed by the Honorable Congressman Sendanya and the Honorable Congresswoman De Lima. May I request the Secretariat to please bring this to the endorsers just to confirm for the record that this is the letter of the withdrawal of their endorsement of the second impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair, may I just
Honorable
make a
Nasal,
point of
may we
clarification?
finish first the presentation of the withdrawal of the impeachment complaint so as not to disrupt the presentation of their intentions?
Thank you,
Thank you.
Madam
I
Chair.
will call you after the complainants.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
While we are waiting for the confirmation, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Deputy Speaker Janet J. Garin, the Honorable Congressman Zia Alonto Adjong from the 1st District of Lanao del Sur, and the Honorable Congresswoman Maria Rene Ann Lourdes Matibag from the 1st District of Laguna. May we hear the confirmation of the Honorable Sendanya?
We confirm, Madam Chair.
Thank you. The Honorable De Lima?
This representation likewise confirmed, Madam
We
Chair.
place on the record that the endorsers confirm that the letters withdrawing the endorsement are the same letters that they sent to the Justice Committee. Of course, we understand that this is a formal proceedings. The complaint is likewise under oath, so we want to do it in the proper way as well. There is a letter withdrawing the complaint signed by the complainants, but we would like them to formally confirm this letter, the same way that the endorser confirmed the withdrawal of the endorsement of the second impeachment complaint. So for this matter, we would like to recognize the complainants, signatories of this withdrawal of the impeachment complaint contained in the letter dated March 2, 2026, to confirm the withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint. Perhaps with the indulgence of the members, we are calling Francisco Joseph Aquino D., Sylvia Estrada Claudio Teresita Quintos Deles, Eugene Louis Gonzalez, Maria Yvonne Cristina Jereza, Father Flavio Villanueva, Father Robert Pagia Reyes, Sister Susan Santos Esmile, Carl Patrick Sukat, Lea Lopez Navarro, Matthew Christian Silverio, Teodoro B. Bagilat, Ezekiel Ven Rivera, Ana Kubakob, Alicia Murphy, and Rowena Amon, and Joshua Fred Tolentino Mata. Kindly approach the microphone. Complainants, please. Perhaps Mr. Francisco Joseph Aquino D. can speak for the complainants, but kindly approach our conference table. I am requesting the COMSEC to administer the oath to our complainants. This is a very significant intervening event that the complainants are withdrawing the impeachment complaint and the endorsers are likewise withdrawing their endorsement of the same impeachment complaint. That's why we want to do it formally, the same way that they filed this impeachment complaint. COMSEC, kindly administer the oath. Please
Madam
raise
Chair,
your right
Madam-
records of our committee meeting today.
So we don't need to ask them any more questions, Madam Chair.
No,
Okay.
just a confirmation of the withdrawal that they are doing right now through this letter.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Adjong. The COMSEC is
Much, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Adjong. The COMSEC is directed to administer the oath.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth before this committee? Please answer. Thank you.
Thank you, COMSEC. Now the chair is in possession of the letter signed by the complainants. I already mentioned your names. This is dated March 2, 2026. May we hear for the record that you are confirming the withdrawal of this impeachment complaint. I hope you understand. This is a very significant intervening event because this is an impeachment complaint that even before it is heard, you wish to withdraw already. So may we recognize the Mr. Francisco Joseph D. I'm sorry.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. On behalf of the 17 complainants of the second complaint, with me are myself and 7 other complainants now. I'm confirming our intention to withdraw our impeachment complaint.
Thank you for the record as well. This is the same letter withdrawing their impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair, we confirm that this is a letter that we submitted this morning.
Thank you, Mr. D. In the presence of the justice members and all the Filipino people who are watching right now, Mr. D, in behalf of all the complainants, is confirming the letter of withdrawal of their impeachment complaint. Thank you, complainants. You may take your seat. The Honorable Flores is recognized.
Madam Chair, in view of the withdrawal and the confirmation by the complainant, D et al., that they are withdrawing the impeachment complaint, as well as the withdrawal of the endorsement by Representative Percival Sendanya and that of Representative Leila de Lima, I move that the committee accept and approve the withdrawal of the said complaint, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to accept and approve the withdrawal of the impeachment complaint. Do I hear a second? The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion to approve, to accept and approve the withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint referred to as D et al. is hereby approved.